Hi, I'm Jay. Welcome to The Confused Dad. In this series, I share parenting problems and discuss them with my 7 years lovely daughter, Cha. And today's topic is short division, and we're going to look at some very interesting math problems together. How about let's start with a simple problem to solve. Okay, so this is me, and I have 3 Pokemons with me. Can you tell me the names of those Pokemon?
Pikachu, Bulbasaur, and Snorlax, and that is now a very good drawing of, and that is quite a bad drawing of.
Well, that's a cute drawing. Come on. All right.
Did you draw that?
And the problem I'm facing is I got some Pokemon food, and I need to hand over these Pokemon food to them. Can you tell me how many Pokemon foods do I have?
Okay, then I need to count.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yes,
9 Pokemon.
I got 9 Pokemon. So the best way to divide 9 fruits and give them to 3 Pokemon, we give them 3 each. Do you know how do we write them in a more mathematical way with this magical symbol? What does this symbol look like, by the way?
But it's called the bus stop method.
To me, it's like a little house on this side.
It's supposed to be the bus stop method.
Okay. Oh, it's called bus stop. I learned something new. To me, this is like a little house or a factory. We store all the fruits here for the Pokemon. And do you know why I think we should put a line there?
So the Pokemon don't just eat them all.
Exactly. If we don't stop them, Pokemon will rush in and snatch all the fruit. So, and here are some interesting terms. So we have 9 fruits, and these are the numbers to be divided into, and we call them number divided into. And then we have 3 Pokemon, which is the dividing number. And what about the results? We mentioned we need to hand over or give 3 fruit to each Pokemon, and we call this, do you know what's the name for that?
Quotient.
Quotient, yes. So 9 divide 3 and have a quotient 3. And now this is easy, right? You know about this. And now we're going to make it harder. What if we got more fruits for our Pokemon? Can you count how many fruits do we have now?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, if it's 14, then if it's 14, if when
how about let's stop? Let me. No, let me.
I need to do a short, quick thing first.
Before you do a quick short thing, I have a simple question. Just tell me, what if we simply use the previous answer? We said we give 3 to each Pokemon. Do you think what will happen? Will they be happy?
Probably not, since they say there's loads of fruits left and they'll be...
Yeah, they're not happy because we have some leftover and they can enjoy it, right? They can't have it. And what if we just simply hand over all of these food to them? Do you think they will be happy?
They can't be, because when we get more than the other, they won't be happy.
You're right, and let's try
That's
it.
where the remainder goes.
Yes, let's try. So if we hand over the rest of it to all of them, and Pikachu got 2 more, Bulbasaur got 2 more, they're happy. But what about Snorlax?
Oh yeah, actually...
He is pretty not happy, right?
Actually, you should have given most of the foods to Snorlax. This is not division because he eats the most food.
Yes, that's a good point. Probably Snorlax actually need more. So, what's the best way to give them the fruit then? If not, just give them 3 or give them all. How many should we give them each?
We should just give them 1, 2, 3, 4 each.
If we give them 4 each, I'm sure now Snorlax feels now it's fair and he feels happy.
But
we
there
got
are
2
2
left
berries.
over.
They're called the remainders.
Oh yeah, you know that. They call them remainders. So do you remember what do we put in the house? What numbers do we put in?
Actually, it's a bus stop.
A bus stop, okay. So we put 14 here. So numbers being divided into...
You say it was 13.
14. I'm pretty sure it's 14. Let's test it out, see if it's 14. So we have
3.
14 here.
Pokemon 3.
We have the dividing number 3. And so do you remember how many fruits do we give them each?
4.
4. Let's try it.
Quotient. And then the
4.
remainder is...
Wait. Now, before calculating remainder, we need to do a multiplication
4
here.
times 3
Is
12.
12. Okay, so we got 12. So we plan to hand over 4 fruits, 4 fruit to each Pokemon, and then we have 3 Pokemon altogether. We will need 12. And how many left? 14 minus 12?
You don't actually need a 2.
Yes, so the 2 becomes the remainder. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
All right. And now I hope it's clear because we're going to have some test. I heard someone like test, right?
Ones that I know about.
Oh. Right. So look at here. What we're going to do is... Boom. We got more Pokemons here. We got a visitor. And now we have more fruits. So how do we do the division here? Let me have one suggestion. So 50 is too big. Let's focus. Let's divide and conquer. Focus on the 10th. How about let's just look at the 5 and forget about the 10, okay? So what if you have 5 fruits divide or hand over to 4?
Pokemon.
What should be the
quotient, so they will each get 4, so 4 here, and 4 times 4 times.
So here is how many fruit we give to each Pokemon.
1.
Yes.
So 1
So we
times
put
4
1
is
here.
4. We need 4, 1. Yeah, the 1's the remainder.
Yeah, so 1 become remainder. But here, wait. Before we move on to the next, we can't just copy over the 1 here because we still have this unit, a
So
0
you just add
here.
a 0 into everything.
Yeah, so we need to drag down the 0 like this. So now we need to do the division again. So we have 10 fruits left. And how do we hand over these 10 fruit to these 4 Pokemons?
Oh, let's see, 10 fruits. Let me think. So, I need a paper.
No. Think about what if we give 1 each, and will they be happy? Possibly not, because
2 each.
Oh, good idea. So if I give them 2 each, okay, we already know 2 each here, and 2 and 4, 2 times 4. How many fruits do we need?
2 times 4 is 2 times 4 is 8.
Okay, so how many left?
8 fruits.
No, we hand over 8 fruits. So and 10 minus 8 here.
Is 2.
Yeah, the 2 becomes
The remainder.
yes. So the 2 becomes remainder. So if we give 50 Pokemon fruit to 4 Pokemons, each of them get 12, and I will collect 2 leftover fruit back. All right, make sense? You think you got it? And do you think it's done, or we have more challenges?
I think there's more challenges, but I want it to be done.
Okay, we have one last super challenges. Okay, so now we have 150 Pokemon fruits for 4 Pokemons. And let's start the same way. So tell me, which number do we start from? Let's make it easy. How about let's start from 1? Imagine we only have 1 fruit here. And let's start from the hundreds. Yes, we have 1 here.
Cut it into 4 pieces.
Well, we can't do this because Snorlax will think, what? You just give me that small portion of Pokemon fruit? I can't eat it. So we say, sorry, we can't do this if you only have 1, which means we'll put a 0 on top. And then let's give some more fruits. So let's add the number from 10th here.
15!
Now we have 15. So if we have 15 fruits, how do we distribute them to 4 Pokemon?
15 times... So 3 for each.
Yes. So essentially, well, that's a question mark. And now you know the answer is 3. And 3 times 4 is 12. What is the leftover?
3. Is it just 3?
Yes.
The remainder is just 3.
Yes, the remainder is 3, but we still have 1 unit to copy down. So let's copy down the unit. So we have 30 fruits left and 4 Pokemons. What is the number that we can hand over to them?
I know. 4 times 7 is 28.
Yes, so let's try to put 4 times 7, 28 here. How many Pokemon fruits?
Do they receive? 37 each. Right?
Yeah, but how many do we left?
How many is left? Remainder.
So 10 minus 8?
2.
Yes, so we have 2. Right, so I think we finished all the exercise. Do you think?
Actually, the remainder you should just throw into Snorlax. He has to eat more, Maybe add a little, in fact, no, cut them up and add a little sugar to them for the Pokemon's dessert. Take it easy and don't forget to cherish your time with your kids. Bye-bye, hope you enjoyed our video.
Bye.